Welcome to Rail Park. Of course, sasakay tayo ng rail bike. Kasama na to sa tour na kinuha ko for today. We're here in Gangcheon Rail Park. At ito ang pinakamahabang rail bike course dito sa South Korea. It's 6 kilometers rail bike course. Bukod sa ma-exercise ka, ma-excite ka din kasi you don't know what comes ahead. Yung color green is pang dalawahan. Yung color orange is pang-apat. Kinuha namin is yung pang-apat. Ito nga, may kasama akong mga ibang lahi.
Hello to my friends from Singapore.
Marami kang makikita along the way. Rice fields, tapos may bundok pa. Napakagandang bundok. At yung legs na maputi ni kabayan.
We're approaching tunnel.
May tunnels din pala kayong matadaanan. Tapos gaya nito, paglabas nyo, may river. Napakagandang tanawin. Sulit na sulit yung rail bike na to. And after 6 kilometers na pagpipidal, the journey ends here. Tingnan nyo naman yung river. Napakaganda. Super ganda. Tapos, sasalubungin tayo ng train, dadalhin nila tayo sa exit ng rail park. Kung makapunta kayo dito sa South Korea, huwag niyong kalimutang sumakay ng rail bike.